Hello, it's me again. So right now, this is my second video, and I'm going to tell you. And this is the website Tynker. If you haven't watched my first video, so I'll be telling you how to add a character to your program. So you first go to projects. Then there'll be all types of things. This time you don't press templates though. You go to create new project. Then there'll be all type of things: HTML, JavaScript, Python, games and apps, all of the things. But like right now, I'm gonna do games and apps. Like if you're trying to make something, you use that. Then you press blank project. Okay, so we'll start out with the default character. Make it a little bigger so you guys can see. Okay, so basically, this program is basically when he walks like this, then he'll turn around and then he'll walk that way. He'll keep on doing that till you stop it. So I'll show you like that. Then I'll turn around. Wait, let me make it a little faster. Okay, let's see. Wait, let me save it. Just save. Oh, okay. Okay, so just type in any project name. So let's say how to add. Oh wait. How to add character. Wait. Okay. So let's do this. Save. So I saved it and I put the name. It should look okay. Yeah. So basically, right now it's move 100 pixels, which means it'll move a little faster. See, it's like he's running. Okay. So that you can increase the speed, like pixels is like, if you look closely, there'll be little tiny blocks, and that's how fast he moves. So let's do like 20. Maybe that might be not as fast. Yeah. That's how like you walk. So this is just a default character. So if you want to actually add a new character on a blank screen, you have to press add character. Then there'll be build character, add from media, and draw your own. So draw your own is basically like you can draw a random person, like it's like a random person. It's like you can just draw a random person. But also, wait. Okay, let me just save it. So pretend just like a random guy. Then you can do draw or add from media. All of these guys you pick from already have default. I think no, yeah. Only the default characters have already written program. You can pick from here those, and they'll be different characters. Like farmer, then there's game elements, like that, game people. So then there's also build a character. So there's different characters. You can pick a kid, a monster, you can pick a dragon, you can pick a teen, you can pick a adult character. For now, I'm gonna pick, let's see. I'm gonna pick, I'm not gonna do too much thinking, so I'm just gonna pick a random guy. Okay, I wanna pick him. Let's see. We can customize characters too. So let's see. I can change his arm to this. Then the other hand, I can change it to this. So now they'll be black. Now I can add a weapon to his hands. Let's put a shield on him. No, let's put a sword. No, let's do shield. Then we can press this, and then we can put another weapon. I'll put this sword. Okay, so I saved him. Now there's him. Let me make it a little bigger so you guys can see. It's a little too big. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna delete this character and this character, since those guys we don't need right now. So let's move him right there. So now there's these programs we can do. So so it basically like he can move, so we can make him move. So let's see. Move. So there's okay, okay, so let's do a random one. On start, move 10 pixel. Let's do, move 25 pixels. Go to controls, and then it'll be forever. So on start, that means in the beginning, move 25 pixels forever. Let's see how that works. I guess that was too fast. Let's do maybe, 20. See how fast that goes. It's a little too fast. Maybe let's try 9 pixels. So basically like that. But if you want to turn it around, let's see, it will be somewhere here. Yeah. So set rotate style to let's see. Wait, no, let's put in the forever button. Wait, let me take him out. What happened? Okay, so let me move him. Then let's put him on the bottom. So we can do like this. Wait, let's do left to right. Huh. It should work. So basically, let's do 1 pixel maybe. Maybe why go slower. Wait, okay. So basically, you can put programs, and I've built in a program. You can copy this. It's right here. So wait, let me get this out. Okay, so basically, this is basically so forever animate walk, move 10 pixels, off and edge bounce, wait 0.05 seconds. So basically, when he moves, he'll be moving, then when he'll hit here, he'll turn around, go back, he'll keep on doing that. Exactly like the default person we first got. So let's see how that works. 10 pixels is maybe a little too slow. Let's put it to 25 pixels. It won't go as fast as the last time since there's more program in the beginning. See? Okay, so that's how you add program to a character that you add. So you have to press this button, and there'll be 3 options. Draw, that you pick from media, or make your own. I hope you liked this video, and it should teach you a lot. I mean, this is one of the most hardest part, trying to get a character on the board. So subscribe the video if you want to learn more. Click the bell button so you can see when new videos come out, and press the like button below. I'll see you guys later. Bye.